May malasakit at kakayahang itaguyod ang malinis na pamahalaan. Yan daw dapat ang namumuno sa bansa ayon kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Tila sinagot ito ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa kanyang pagdalo sa paggunita ng Police Service Anniversary. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
Our crackdown on illegal drugs, smuggling, illegal gambling, private armed groups, human trafficking, and criminality has also strengthened significantly in the ways that are not only effective, but legal and lawful. Indeed, police operations are now conducted as humane, as truthful, and as bloodless as possible.
Ito ang ipinagmalaki ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa pagdalo sa 123rd Police Service Anniversary Celebration sa Camp Crame, Quezon City. Ayon sa Pangulo, dapat mapanatili ang imahe ng PNP na maaasahan at mapagkakatiwalaan ng pamayanan. Kaugnay nito, pinuri rin ng Pangulo ang pagbaba ng kriminalidad sa bansa.
The PNP has intensified its patrol operations and increased police deployment, contributing to a notable drop in crime rates, particularly in what was formerly crime-prone areas. Under your leadership, the police has responded to nearly all, or to quote the actual number, 99% of the calls for police assistance.
Binanggit din ni PBBM ang pagpapalakas sa cybersecurity efforts ng ahensya. Noong nakaraang taon, binuksan daw ang PNP Cybersecurity Center. Nangako rin ng Pangulo ng patuloy na suporta sa ahensya at sa kanilang pamilya. Pero may babala si PBBM sa mga korap na opisyal.
In carrying out this task, the police needs to be disciplined, transparent, and fair. Erring and corrupt police personnel will face the appropriate sanctions.
Bago ang talumpati, ininspeksyon din ni PBBM ang mga bagong assets ng PNP, kabilang ang halos 300 light motorcycle, 193 units ng light transport vehicle, 75 patrol jeep single cab at 155 light machine gun. Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.